double integration over the region of 3xy dx into dy. Now continuation, right, the region R of integration is the first quadrant of the circle. The region of integration is the first quadrant of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square, the first quadrant. So integral over the region R, vector f dot n cap into ds is equal to 3. I will write outside. I will do the changing the order of integration. Here I write xy, here I write dy into dx. According to the integrating factor I mentioned here, y varies from, in the first quadrant, 0 to x square minus a square, because equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. You are finding out the y means y is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square, but we are mentioning here the first octant, means the first quadrant. So here I will take y is equal to 0 to root of x square minus a square. So x is also 0 to a. X varies from 0 to a. I just continue this side. So here double integral over the region R, vector f dot n cap into ds, that is equal to 3 into integral limit varies from x is equal to 0 to a. I write x as it is. With respect to y we are doing integration, so we get y square by 2. So limit varies from 0 to root of wait a minute, here a square into x square, change the limit, a square in a square minus x square. So here I write dx as it is. Next 3 into integral limit varies from x is equal to 0 to a. I will write this 2 also outside. So I substitute here root of a square minus x square whole square. Square and square root will get cancelled. Remaining will be dx. So 3 by 2 integral x varies from 0 to a. Here x into a square, x a square minus x cube into dx. So 3 by 2, the integration of x is x square by 2 into a square minus integration of x cube is x power 4 divided by 4. Limit varies from x is equal to 0 to a. So here 3 by 2 again give the limit substitution. So a square means a square means a power 4 divided by 2 minus a power 4 divided by 4. So I will write 3 by 2 as it is. I will write the LCM 4. So 2a power 4 minus a power 4 is a power 4. So we get 3a power 4 divided by 8 is the answer. 3a power 4 divided by 8. Yes. Write down December 2016. December 2016, year of the question. So here use the divergence theorem. Use the divergence theorem to evaluate double integral of over the surface S vector F dot n cap into ds over the entire surface, over the entire surface of the region above xy plane, bounded by the cone, z square is equal to x square plus y square. The plane z is equal to 4, where vector f is equal to 4xzi plus xyz square j plus 3zk. So before when we will start writing the solution, first in every problem you write the formula. First step, you have to start the solution with the writing the formula. So integral over the surface f vector f dot n cap into ds is equal to double integral over the volume v divergence vector f into dv. So here first we have to find out divergence of vector f. We all know the formula, that is del dot vector f. So del formula is dou by dou x into I, dou by dou y into j, dou by dou z into k dot vector f 4xz I plus xy z square j plus 3zx. So this is the formula. Now we have to find the we have to apply the dot product. So dou by dou x of 4xz plus dou by dou y of xy z square, dou by dou z of 3z, because k dot k is 1, j dot j is 1, I dot I is 1. Now tell me the differentiation of the 4xz with respect to x. 4xz with respect to x. Yes, what is the differentiation?
4z.
4z. Next, x, y, z square with respect to y.
xz square.
Xz square. Last one, 3z with respect to z.
3.
Yes, good. Next, now apply this in the RHS side. So divergence vector v dv is equal to triple integral over the volume v. In the place of divergence of vector f, we write 4z plus xz square plus 3 into, in the place of dv, we write dx dy into dz. I write here dx dy into dz. Next, now they have given the points. What are the points here? Z is equal to 4. So put z is equal to 4 in z square is equal to x square plus y square. That implies x square plus y square is equal to 16. So we can write y varies from when we shift this y square is equal to 16 minus x square, y is equal to plus or minus root of 16 minus x square. So y varies from minus root of 16 minus x square to plus root of 16 minus x square. Next, if y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0 means 0 is equal to 16 minus x square. So x square is equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So we can write here x varies from minus 4 to plus 4. Minus 4 to plus 4. Next, last one, z varies from 0 to 4. Z varies from 0 to 4. Next, apply this in the RHS side of the Stokes theorem formula. That is, first you write the triple integral, write the term 4z plus xz square plus 3. Here constant value is z is equal to 4. So it should come at the last. Next, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. Here write dx. Y is equal to minus root of 16 minus x square to plus root of 16 minus x square. Here we have to write dy. So I just write here integral z is equal to 4. Integral x varies from minus 4 to 4. With respect to y, we are doing the integration with respect to y. So in the above equation means divergence of vector f, there we are not finding any y term. So everything is a constant because with respect to y we are doing. So I will do 1 with respect to y. So integration of 1 with respect to y is y. So here limit varies from minus 16 root of 16 x square to plus root of 16 x square. So here I will write dx into dz. Next, z is equal to 0 to 4, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. Now I write 4z plus xz square plus 3 as it is. I just do the upper limit substitution. Root of 6 minus x square minus of minus root of lower limit 16 minus x square. Here I write dx into dz as it is. Now z is equal to 0 to 4, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. I write 4z plus xz square plus 3 as it is. Here minus into minus plus. So root of 16 minus x square plus root of 16 minus x square means 2 times of root of 16 minus x square. Here I will write dx into dz. Dx into dz. Now in the next line, I just write 2 outside. So here I will divide individually. I just write this 2 outside. Before doing that, let us multiply this term with these 3 terms. So I write here z is equal to 0 to 4, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. So 2 4s are 8, z root of 16 minus x square. Next, again here dx into dz plus z is equal to 0 to 4, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. Again 2 into x into z square into root of 16 minus x square into dx into dz. Now last term z is equal to 0 to 4, x is equal to minus 4 to 4. Here also 3 into 3 2s are 6. So 6 root of 16 minus x square into dx into dz. Now here first term with respect to x we are doing, so I write z this side. So I will apply the formula. It is in the form root of a square minus x square, integration of root of a square minus x square into dx is, I just write the formula here, integration of root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x into root of a square minus x square divided by 2 plus 2a into sine inverse of x by a. This is the formula. So same thing we are going to apply here. So I wrote 8 outside with respect to x we are doing. So I wrote z also outside. So in the place of root of 16 minus x square, I just write x root of 16 minus x square divided by 2 plus 2 into, here a square means 4 square. So a value is 4 into sine inverse of pi by 4. Sorry, x by 4. Sine inverse of x by 4. So here the limit varies from x is equal to minus 4 to 4 into dz. I will write as it is. This term, here we have to do the substitution part. So here also I write z is equal to 0 to 4. 2 outside I will write. Z square I will write here. Here for this, wait a minute. Yes. Substitution part I just write for the second one. Here I just write put x is equal to 4 sine theta. Put x is equal to 4 sine theta, substitution part. So dx we get 4 into cos theta into d theta. Next, if x is equal to minus 4, theta will be sine inverse of minus 1 is minus pi by 2. If x is equal to 4, theta is equal to pi by 2. So here just a minute, here we have to do a conversion, here 0 to pi by 2. When we are using the definite integral, here just make a correction. When we are using a definite integral, that is minus a to a, f of x into dx is equal to 2 times of integral limit varies from 0 to a f of x into dx. Here we have to change the integral like this. Write this formula also. Integral limit minus a to a. Here we are having minus 4 to 4. F of x plus we are having root of 16 minus x square into dx is equal to 2 times of limit x is equal to 0 to 4, then formula of this term. So here let us come back for the second one. So here do the substitution. In the place of x, I write 4 sine theta. In the place of x, because z square is a constant as we are doing with respect to x as a integration. I write 4 sine theta. Here root of 16 minus x square means 16 sine square theta into, in the place of dx I write 4 into cos theta into d theta. Next, again this completes the second one. Third one, integral limit varies from 0 to 4. 6 I will write outside. Here also conversion of minus 4 to 4 means 2 times of limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 4. X is equal to 0 to 4. Once again I will write 16 minus x square into dx into dz as it is. Substitution for the first term. What is the substitution for the first term here? So 8 into 2, 16. First limit z is equal to 0 to 4. It remains as it is. Z also I will write outside. Then in the place of first upper limit, in the place of x we have to write 4. Root of 16 minus 4 square is 16 divided by 2. This becomes 0 plus 2 fours are 8. Sine inverse of 4 by 4 means that we will write later. Lower limit completely it will become 0 into dz. This is the first term. Next, second term 4 I will write, wait a minute, 2 I will write outside. Integral 0 to 4. So here also z square I will write outside. So again x is equal to minus pi by 2, sorry, theta is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In the place of x we have written 4 into sine theta, that I will write as it is. Next, root of, here inside the root I will take 16 as a common term. So I get 1 minus sine square theta. Again I write in the place of dx 4 into cos theta into d theta into dz plus last term. So here also 4 twos are 8 we will get, sorry, 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12 we get. Here integral limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 4. Again for the same limit we have to apply the formula. Yes. Here x into root of 16 minus x square divided by 2 plus here also 2a means 2 into 4. 2 into 4 into sine inverse of x by 4. So here x is equal to 0 to 4. In terms of dz I will write here. So this is the next step. Now in the above step 16 limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 4. Z I will write as it is. First term anyhow it will become 0. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So we get 8 pi divided by 2. So here I will write dz. Z into 8 pi by 2 because sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 into dz plus 2 into z is equal to 0 to 4. Here I will write z square. Here again theta is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here 4 4s are 16 sin theta cos theta. Again square root of 16 is 4 into 1 minus sine square theta. I just write here 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So root of cos square theta is cos theta. So 4 into cos theta into d theta. Next, third one, plus 12 into integral limit varies from z is equal to 4. So here also upper limit substitution. 4 into root of 16 minus 16 divided by 2. This also will become 0. Plus 8. Again sine inverse upper limit substitution 4 by 4. 1. So sine inverse 1 means pi by 2. So lower limit completely it will become 0. So here we can write into dz. Next, here 16 z is equal to 0 to 4. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 pi into z into dz plus 2 into z is equal to limit varies from 0 to 4 z square theta is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 16 fours are 64 sine into cos square theta. Sine theta into cos square theta into d theta plus 12 into z is equal to 0 to 4. Here also 2 ones are 2 fours are. So 4 pi into dz. So here 16 fours are 64 pi. I will write outside. Z integration is z square by 2. So limit varies from 0 to 4 plus 2 into z is equal to 0 to 4 z square. Here also I will write the substitution method. Means put cos t is equal to cos theta. So dt is equal to minus sin theta into d theta. So here also if we want to change the limit, if theta is equal to pi minus pi by 2, t is equal to 0. If theta is equal to pi by 2, because cos pi by 2 is 0, t is equal to 0. So here limit t is equal to varies from 0 to 0, 64 into minus t square into dt, because minus sin theta d theta. In sin theta d theta we can write it as a minus dt. So as the limit varies from 0 to 0, completely second term will become 0. Third term 12 fours are 48 pi. Integration of 1 with respect to z is z. So here also z varies from 0 to 4. Now do the substitution. Do the substitution part. So here 2 ones are 2 32s are. So 32 pi into 16 plus 0 plus 48 pi into upper limit is 4. So here we get 512 pi plus 48 into 4 means 192 pi. So when we add, we get 704 pi.